Hello, dear children. Welcome to Success EduTech and hope you enjoyed my previous lectures. I'm again with a new topic of grammar and it is pronoun. Let us go to understand what is the meaning of pronoun. Like in the previous lecture, I explained you about the nouns. Do you remember? All naming words are called as nouns. Now, it is a word that takes the place of a noun. Now, we know that a noun is a naming word, and when we tell a sentence, we use a name, but we cannot repeatedly use the same name. So, we use a pronoun. Okay, it renames a noun. Now, let us learn about the kinds of pronoun. These are personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used to refer one or more persons or things. I am reading a book. Okay, so what is it? It's a personal pronoun because it's referring to only one person. I am reading a book. Now, see the examples here. First person singular is I, me, my, mine. When it goes to plural, it becomes we, us, our, ours. Now, second person is you, your, yours. And in plural, you, your, yours. Third person, he, him, she, her, it, his, her, hers, its. When it becomes plurals, their and theirs. First person refers to the speaker, like me, and second person refers to the person being spoken to. Third person refers to the person or persons spoken about. If I am talking to you, that is, I am the first person, you are the second person, and we are talking about somebody else, that is the third person. Okay. Now let us go to the next type of pronoun, that is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun tell which one or which group is referred to. Like we can say, take the example like this, that, these or those. Let us frame a sentence. Those who obey God's commandments will be rewarded. Who? Those who obey. Like we are referring to those group of people who obey God's commandments will be rewarded. Now let us go to the third one. It's intensive pronouns. What are intensive pronouns? They are the same words as reflexive pronouns but used to draw special attention towards the noun. For example, I myself wrote the lyrics. Who wrote? I myself. So we are uh, drawing the attention towards myself, forcing us to understand that who wrote the lyrics. I myself wrote the lyrics. Okay. Now next one is interrogative. Interrogative means questions. Okay, it introduces questions. Whose laws we must follow? God's or man's? Now it's a question mark. So whose is the interrogative pronoun here? Let us go to the next one. Relative pronoun introduces the adjective clauses which are the words which tell what kind and how many, that, which, who, whom, or whose. For example, there is a God who cares. Who cares? Like we are introducing the adjective clause here. Okay. Now there is a God who cares. Okay. Now, next one is indefinite pronoun. Refers to the people, places, things in general. Like we don't know, it is indefinite. We don't know about whom we are talking to. There are some people or some group. Like some of the girls are joining the field trip. We don't know. We are talking in general. Okay, some of the food is left. We don't know what, either rice is left, curry is left, roti is left, chapati is left. We don't know anything, but we know indefinite. Something is left. Okay, we are talking in general, so that is an indefinite pronoun. Now let us see some examples. Singular is anybody, everybody, no one, anyone, much, one. Now for anybody, everybody and no one, both it is in singular and plural both. Now anyone, much, one, we are talking few. Okay, each, neither, somebody, many, either, nobody, someone, others, everybody's, something, anything, several. The following indefinite pronouns can be either singular or plural depending on how they are used in sentence, like all, any, most, none, or some. Okay. Now let us go to the next one, that is cases of pronoun. This you have to Understand it very carefully. Okay, the first case is nominative case, the subject form of the personal pronouns like I, you, we, he, she, it, we, you, and they. For examples, it is I who am your friend. Now, what is it? It is I. We are talking about myself. Again, who am your friend? Like it is I who am. Like we are again talking about the personal pronoun and it's in the subject form. Okay, Amy and he are getting married. Okay, and let us go to the objective clause. Now, objective clause is the object form. Previously, we learned about the subject form. This one is the object form of the personal pronoun like me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. For example, Glenn sent Lisa and me some wild orchids from Davao. So, what is the object form here? Me. Just between you and me, I think this painting is ridiculous. Like it is between you and me, okay? That the painting is not good. The painting is ridiculous. So it's again in the object form. So it's a personal pronoun, but it is in the object form. Okay, so it is an objective case. Now, what's a possessive case? Possessive case is the pronouns that indicate ownership, like my, mine, your, yours, his, her, hers, it, our, ours, their, theirs. This book is mine. Whose is this book? This book is mine. Who is the owner? Me. This is my book. I am the owner. Okay, so this is the possessive case. So this was about the pronouns. Hope you have understood. You have enjoyed my session. I'll come up with many more grammar lectures with you. And if you like, please subscribe my channel, comment in the comment box, and hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you and have a great day ahead.